Take number 9. If you have the same sign, add them up. If you have the same sign, add them up. If you have the same sign, you just have to take the sum, add them up, and you just take the sign. Again, if you have the same sign, add them up. If you have the same sign, add them up. If you have the same sign, you just have to take the sum, add them up, and you just take the sign. Hi there! I'm back again, and today's video, babalikan natin kung saan nag-start yung inyong mga confusion sa mathematics. The negative numbers and the positive numbers, including the zero, are called the set of integers. So how to add and subtract integers. So let's start first with the addition of integers. If you have the same sign, add it up. And according to the song, you just simply add the two numbers if you have the same sign. If both are positive, add and copy the sign. If both are negative, add and copy the sign. So let's have an example. Ayan, so let's have this example number 1. Of course, it's very obvious. If you have positive 2 plus positive 2, meron tayong positive 4, and you have 25 plus 34. Again, these numbers are positive, so you get 25 plus 34. This will give you 59. Positive 59 because you're adding positive numbers. If you have negative 3 plus negative 15, both numbers are negative. So again, from the song, you just add it up, then copy the sign. So negative 3 plus negative 15, you just add 15 plus 3, that's 18. And it's negative since you are adding both negative numbers. Similarly, you have 30 plus 21, the sign is negative. So both are negative, you just add 30 plus 21, that will give you 51, and copy the sign that is negative. So that is case number 1. Let's proceed with case. Madali lang naman yung case number 1. If you have the same sign, add it up. Let's have case number 2. You have different sign numbers. Meron ding kanta dyan. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Ganito ang kanta dyan if you have different sign numbers. The song goes like this. If the sign is different, you subtract. If the sign is different, you subtract. If the sign is different, you just take the difference. You subtract and take the sign of the larger number. O ganon. Ganon siya. Accordingly, if you have different sign numbers, you just subtract and take the sign of the larger number. Let's have example. You have, again, let me remind again, if your sign is different, subtract and just copy the sign of the larger numbers. So you have 5 plus negative 10. You have different sign numbers. You just subtract, then copy the sign of the larger number. So that's 10 minus 5. It will give you 5, and your sign will be negative since 10 is greater than 5 and 10 is negative. So you have negative 5. Let's proceed. Negative 25 plus 30. You just simply subtract that one. 30 minus 25 will give you 5. And since 30 is greater than negative 25 and 30 is positive, so you just take positive. You have negative 15 plus 15. You have different sign numbers, so this will just be equal to 0, and 0 is neutral. It is neither positive nor negative. So wag nyo na lagyan ng positive dyan at saka negative because the sign of 0 is neutral. Number 4, 21 plus negative 7. Again, different sign numbers. You just subtract. So 21 minus 7 will give you 14. And you just copy the sign of the larger number. 21 is greater than 7 and 21 is positive. Therefore, you have positive. And finally, you have negative 24 plus 20. You subtract. 24 minus 20 is equal to 4. You just copy the sign. and negative since 24 is greater than 20 and 24 is negative. Napaka-importante po yung sign doon sa integers because take note that 1 is not equal to negative 1. Baka sabihin nyo na sign lang naman yung nagkulang. Hindi, mali pa rin yan siya. Okay, so I'll discuss next subtraction of integers. Paano nga ba mag-subtract ng integers? Ganito naman mag-subtract ng integers. Wala na itong kanta, huwag kang mag-alala. Palagi lang ko kumakanta. But anyways, in subtracting integers, take note of these two. Change the operation, change the sign. So, the operation is subtraction. You change that into addition, then change the sign of the second number. So, this is change the sign of the second number. Kaya baka i-change niyo yung first number. Only the second number. Again, take note of this one. Change the operation, change the sign. So, let's start with 10 minus 6. This is very obvious. So, that's direct subtraction. 10 minus 6, this will give you 4, so no need for that. Kasi madali lang naman yan. So, when you have number 5 example, 6 minus 10, how this differs from number 1, 10 minus 6 and 6 minus 10. In this case, 6 minus 10, you have negative 4. So, mamaya I'll explain that to you. Okay, so gagamitin na natin yung change the operation, change the sign of the second number. So the sign here is negative. The sign of 5 is negative. Positive. Our operation is minus. So we will change the sign. So this becomes positive. And the sign of your 5 will become negative. So you are adding now two negative numbers, and accordingly sa rule ng addition, if you have the same sign, add them up, then copy the sign. So you have now negative 10 plus negative 5. This will now give you negative 50. Let's have number 3. 10 minus negative 5. Again, change the operation. This will become addition now, and the sign here negative will become positive. So you have now positive 10 and positive 5. So you again apply the rule in addition. So this becomes positive 15. Number 4, negative 10 minus negative 5. So you have again change the operation. This becomes positive and this becomes positive. So you are adding different sign numbers. This is negative 10 and this is positive 5. Therefore, you have now negative 5. If you have different sign, you subtract, then copy the sign of the larger number. So, kung ipag-apply natin ito, again, this becomes positive and your 6 here becomes negative. So, you are adding now positive and negative number, kaya meron tayong positive 4. In this case, again, this becomes plus and this becomes negative. So you're now adding different sign numbers. Therefore, you subtract, then copy the sign of the larger number. Since in this case, 10 is greater than 6 and 10 is negative. So meron tayong negative 4. Ganun lang siya mag-subtract ng integers. You just apply this one, change the operation, change the sign. So yun lang, and thank you for watching. If you have the same sign, add them up. If the sign is different, you subtract. Cha cha cha. Moshi moshi.